Welcome to Learn English Fast and Fun.
Hi, I need to learn English fast.
Okay, let's make a plan.
Hi, I need to learn English fast.
Okay, let's make a plan.
How?
First, set small goals.
How?
First, set small goals.
Like what?
Learn 5 words daily.
Like what?
Learn 5 words daily.
Okay, what else?
Practice every day.
Okay, what else?
Practice every day.
How long?
30 minutes minimum.
How long?
30 minutes minimum.
I can do that.
Good. Start with listening.
I can do that.
Good. Start with listening.
How?
Watch cartoons in English.
How?
Watch cartoons in English.
Cartoons?
Yes, easy to understand.
Cartoons?
Yes, easy to understand.
Okay, and speaking?
Talk to yourself first.
Okay, and speaking?
Talk to yourself first.
Really?
Yes, describe your day.
Really?
Yes, describe your day.
That's simple.
Then try language apps.
That's simple.
Then try language apps.
Which ones?
Try Hello Talk.
Which ones?
Try Hello Talk.
Free?
Yes, and useful.
Free?
Yes, and useful.
Great. Reading?
Read short stories.
Great. Reading?
Read short stories.
Where?
Online or kids' books.
Where?
Online or kids' books.
Okay. Writing?
Keep a journal.
Okay. Writing?
Keep a journal.
About what?
Your daily life.
About what?
Your daily life.
Easy. Grammar?
Learn basics first.
Easy. Grammar?
Learn basics first.
Like what?
Simple tenses.
Like what?
Simple tenses.
Past, present?
Yes, start there.
Past, present?
Yes, start there.
Vocabulary?
Use flashcards.
Vocabulary?
Use flashcards.
Paper or app?
Both work.
Paper or app?
Both work.
Which app?
Anki or Quizlet.
Which app?
Anki or Quizlet.
Okay. Pronunciation?
Repeat after videos.
Okay. Pronunciation?
Repeat after videos.
YouTube?
Yes, like BBC Learning.
YouTube?
Yes, like BBC Learning.
Got it. Movies?
Use subtitles first.
Got it. Movies?
Use subtitles first.
English or my language?
English subtitles.
English or my language?
English subtitles.
Okay, music.
Listen and sing along.
Okay, music.
Listen and sing along.
Good idea.
Also think in English.
Good idea.
Also think in English.
How?
Name objects around you.
How?
Name objects around you.
Like cup, phone.
Yes, simple words.
Like cup, phone.
Yes, simple words.
I'll try. Mistakes?
Don't fear them.
I'll try. Mistakes?
Don't fear them.
But I'm shy.
Everyone starts bad.
But I'm shy.
Everyone starts bad.
True. Fluency?
Takes time.
True. Fluency?
Takes time.
Months? Years?
Depends on effort.
Months? Years?
Depends on effort.
I'll work hard.
Good attitude.
I'll work hard.
Good attitude.
Any shortcuts?
No, just practice.
Any shortcuts?
No, just practice.
Okay, friends?
Find study partners.
Okay, friends?
Find study partners.
Online?
Yes, or local groups.
Online?
Yes, or local groups.
I'll search.
Also watch TV shows.
I'll search.
Also watch TV shows.
Which ones?
Sitcoms are best.
Which ones?
Sitcoms are best.
Why?
Simple, funny dialogues.
Why?
Simple, funny dialogues.
Okay, tests?
Quiz yourself weekly.
Okay, tests?
Quiz yourself weekly.
How?
Write what you learn.
How?
Write what you learn.
And check?
Yes, find mistakes.
And check?
Yes, find mistakes.
Got it. Confidence?
Comes with time.
Got it. Confidence?
Comes with time.
I'll be patient.
Perfect. Stay consistent.
I'll be patient.
Perfect. Stay consistent.
I will, thanks.
You're welcome.
I will, thanks.
You're welcome.